Hello. So this evening we're gonna make a little turmeric milk. First we're gonna start off with 2 cups of almond milk. We're gonna put that on the stove and let it simmer for a little bit, and then I'll put the additional ingredients in it, and I'll update you as I go along. Since the turmeric takes a while to cook, we need to get precisely 1 teaspoon of turmeric, which we're gonna just add. And you can get this turmeric ground from pretty much any store, supermarket. Next ingredient we're going to add is going to be a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just in case you can't see me back here. Making sure I wipe everything off so it doesn't mix everything in together. So, ground cinnamon. And now, for a teaspoon of coconut oil. As you can see, I have some organic coconut oil. There, make sure you can see that. There's a little to get it. Yeah. Okay, dokie. That is all we're going to do. I'm just going to do a little tidying up as that cooks on the stove, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is about done. We are now going to put some organic honey, 1 tablespoon. Delicious organic honey. Delicious. And just a pinch of black pepper. We're going to let this cook for a few more minutes. Then I'm going to strain it, and it should be ready. Okay, preparing for the final dish. Here we go. Your first cup of freshly made tamarind tea. That is going to be delicious. Until next time, I'll post the ingredients. Enjoy, and thanks for hanging out with Cooking with Ron. Take care. It's in the description.